Maganda.
Magpag-grade ka kung sa'y naasa.
Oo.
Sa isa pa perfume. Let's see.
Matagal ko na itong di ginagawa eh.
Dapat Adrian yung mga apps.
Hindi mo
Kami na yung apps.
Uso magod ng mag-grade. Mag-grade ka na ako baka Alex. Kung sa ka ng muro.
Say nice sulod siyang bag.
Oo. Kung sa'yo na siyang bag. Pero masumanya. Ganun.
Hello. Kamu na lang mag...
Oh, hello. Hi. Mga gwapa.
Saan na siya?
Live action.
Hello po. We're live here.
Mag-backgrade daw. May mag-backgrade.
So, talaga na. Ano ko sa TV. So actually guys, we're here para magkaano.
Albertos.
Albertos. Salamat ko ayo ops. Pero kaya siya na gining nga ako na
Mag-backgrade na ka.
siya na tanaw.
Hello.
Hello guys, so we're live. Dapat to mag-English.
Ay, turo. Basta yung in English.
Oh yeah. Come here, Annie. What?
Live
We help you. We have a challenge right now. Not to talk vernacular. And then vernacular is not allowed.
Is this live? What is your objective in this live session?
And yeah, we're here to bag-grade daw.
What?
Bag-grade.
Bug raid. So, do you want to start with me? So, the first one, this is very important. Okay, this is very important. I have umbrella in my bag. I have water.
Why?
Of course, it's very important to have a good digestion.
Yeah.
I have cup because, of course, front row members, especially, we are beautiful like us. I don't want to discover my beauty, so I brought this cup for protection, of course.
Light, right?
Yes. Then I have my, of course, planner, my knitting notebook, of course.
Yeah.
Gigubot din niyo akong bag. Okay? Of course, the important thing. What's the important thing? You didn't see that. Okay, it's okay. Of course, the important thing. Lux Protect, because of course from school, I have lack of sleep, so I need this one for Lux Protect, of course, because it's good for those people who do not have a good sleep or like 8 hours of sleep. So I recommend this to you.
Yeah, for
Okay.
insomnia hon.
Yes, for those insomnia and you know,
I miss you all.
I miss you. Okay, I miss you too.
We miss you too,
Okay,
Erin.
the second one, this is very good in our body. The Lux White Enhanced Glutathione, because you didn't need.
If you want to earn that way,
Okay, if you want to become a
pretty one,
like me,
yeah,
Like-
white and a white complexion.
Yes.
And
if you want for a healthy body, and of course for whitening, it's good for whitening also.
if you want you look white.
Yeah, all parts of your body, even the singit. You know the singit is?
Pakita lang ano.
Yes, this is Lux White.
Only in?
Yes,
Congrats, Manana.
60 capsules. Okay.
Sabi mo, fire, oy.
Me too. I have buyer too.
A lot.
Kanay,
Actually.
naagiday ko buyer. Naagiday ko buyer. May gani kanundok ko. Oh. This one, thank you very much. I have a great contribution in this video. So next, follow me. Follow me on my Facebook, Anime Camille Silam. So do not forget that. Bye.
And here's the next.
Naagiday ko buyer ka. Kay Mandi.
Di ay.
Yun na ang
Tago.
Diyan ako nagbago. Ikaw mga ano.
So, ano ako kabalo? Kasi buhaton. So, actually guys, the one who come here is my business partner. So, she's that. So, mukha ni Erika, eh. So, loud.
This is our business
I'm
partner.
so sorry.
May nangutan na apps.
Kailangan ni Erica. You know here, her. Ay, tago.
Wala, mga direct ko.
Help me. I can't. Hi, Erica. Ikaw na ba?
Hi guys, my name is Leo. Under the
Remo. Actually, guys, we have no... Wala mi buhaton. We have no time to... we have a free time. Is it?
Si Islandary. Hello, Miss Islandary.
That's my... Basta.
Gusto ka, Ane?
So, guys, we're open now para i-share sa inyo ang business. I-share sa inyo ang front row. Ang kahalagahan ng front row. Charot.
Uy, naging siya.
Benefits of front row product. Cho?
Hi Abs.
Sikat.
Si ang share. Ikaw na, be?
Anak ko, story ako, apps.
Benefits of product. Like, imo na kamuti.
Ani, ikaw, what can you say about our products? Binali.
Thank you for watching our TV channel.
Hi guys.
Sige ra ka, hi. Let's fall in love again.
Isa ng go apps.
That's true. I don't know. Maybe it's my friend.
Oh my God, slack skin lang ito. Oh my God.
Just fall in love again. Maybe we should have to sing a song for you.
Isa yung gamit. What can you say about this product? Saka doon.
We have no secret here.
Hi guys! Try this our Lux product, Lux Sweat.
Sige na. If you want to be slim, take Lux Slim.
Hi guys.
Sige na kagay.
Ah,
Sige na, sige na.
ano naman Abs doon? Ay, wala.
Try this Lux Wine.
So guys, this is my business partner at Legit Distributor. Just fall in love again. Just one touch. Every time.
Thank you, Apsi. Gunitan ko lang si Masa.
Give me that one. Before I
Try
lost
this
that.
one. Try this one.
Hi, I love front row.
If guys, if you can afford, you should try this 01 soap and 03. A good combo combination. Yeah, yeah. If you want the best result, try all
Yeah.
whitening product of Fretcher. Boy, why are you smiling? Sure.
Guwapa kayo, oy.
kami pa. Order na mo. Guys, order na mo. Sa mga ladies, contact my number. Ladies, you can call me MJ. Sa mga boys naman, you can contact me my number.
Hi. Lux White user. Same as
Yeah.
try na.
Actually, we're all beautiful. Wala na. Wala na sila sa
Nalagyan kisa lang. Shanice. Lilia.
Ayaw.
Remember, if you gusto mo 50% discount, pagka-member na.
Try na mo sa front row.
Slimming man.
Abs. Abs. Paulo na po na abs, be. Paikot lang tayo. Wala. Ina lang. Wait lang guys. Actually, we're unboxing our foods right now. Come here. Me. Wala. Video call. Oh, what happened?
Gusto mo yan ng live?
Oh, this is our Lux Slim user. Lux Slim din.
Ito, tinuod. Effective ang Lux Slim.
Super!
Gusto mo kita?
Dali! Lux Slim. Pag ano man daw, sinasunod sa yung bag. And English. What's his favorite?
Oh my gosh.
Try to explain it in English.
This is the Lux Slim user. Wala pa naman sa Slim sa Janis pa naman. Pa kami din yung right.
Gusto ba yan mag-abs? Gusto ba yan mag-live? Naka-abs. FCJ.
Hi sa buyer na tomorrow. See you tomorrow sa Balingasag. Anyway, sa mga taga Balingasag, kinsay magpasabay, we'll go to Balingasag tomorrow for my meetup. Ito ka Lux White. Protect.
Wow! Ito!
Oh my God! It's unboxing our food right now. Oh, sa to oras mo? Ani, 2 p.m. daw. SNR. 2 p.m. daw? 6 p.m. ang daw.
Gabi, marap kayo.
Ay, gabi.
Wala ko kabalo.
Oh, di ba? Mag-SNR sila?
Ay, dili gabi kay ano na yung members meeting na mga ano sa sila appeal ka sa mga
Ay, mag-SNR daw ni.
Ako, no? Malamang iPad ni. Sa na lang ako,